We've all been there. That moment when the Wi-Fi icon mocks you with its emptiness. The internet, your lifeline to the world, has gone kaput. But for many Bell Canada customers, it's not just the internet that decides to take a powder. Oh no. Their smart doorbells seem to develop a mind of their own, refusing to chime in when visitors grace, or unknowingly trespass on, their doorsteps. What's going on here? Is it a rogue AI uprising? A conspiracy orchestrated by carrier pigeons? Sadly no. It's just another day in the often frustrating world of Bell Canada outages. If you live in Ottawa or the Outages region, you might be forgiven for thinking your area is a magnet for Bell internet outages. Social media is awash with tales of woe from frustrated customers. Another day, another Bell internet outage. Is it just me, or is Ottawa the epicenter of Bell's connectivity issues? And it's not just anecdotal evidence. Reports from various sources suggest an uptick in outage complaints from these regions, leaving many to wonder if their internet woes are just bad luck or a symptom of a larger infrastructure problem. But wait, there's more. Alongside the internet woes, a new, or perhaps not so new problem has emerged. The mystery of the malfunctioning Bell doorbells. These seemingly simple devices, designed to announce visitors with a cheerful chime, seem to have developed a stubborn streak. On social media platforms, users share their bewilderment. Some report their doorbells going completely silent, leaving them oblivious to guests and delivery drivers alike. Can anyone tell me why my Bell doorbell has decided to take an extended vacation? It hasn't made a peep in days. Others complain of phantom rings, their doorbells serenading them with ghostly chimes at all hours of the night. Is it a software glitch, a hardware malfunction, or perhaps, just maybe the ghosts of frustrated customer service agents seeking revenge? The world may never know. Section 4. Lost in the support labyrinth, Bell Canada's customer service saga. If there's one thing more frustrating than a spotty internet connection or a mute doorbell, it's trying to get help from Bell Canada's customer support. Stories abound of endless hold times, unhelpful representatives, and temporary fixes that vanish faster than a politician's promise. Just spent 2 hours on hold with Bell support, only to be told to restart my modem, again. I swear, dealing with them is like navigating a Kafka-esque nightmare. Bell support struggles. The frustration is palpable. Customers already grappling with the inconvenience of outages are left feeling ignored and dismissed. The lack of clear communication and effective solutions only adds fuel to the fire of their discontent. Section 5. Silver linings and laughter, finding humor in the midst of Bell problems. But it's not all doom and gloom. In the midst of the internet outages and doorbell dramas, a glimmer of humor emerges. Social media, that breeding ground of both complaints and comedic relief, has become a platform for sharing lighthearted jabs at Bell Canada's expense. Bell Canada's repair team on their way, from memes featuring the Taco Bell Chihuahua to witty tweets comparing Bell's internet speed to that of a snail on a treadmill, users find solace in shared laughter. It's a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, finding humor even in the most frustrating of situations. So, dear readers, the next time your internet decides to take a siesta or your doorbell goes rogue, remember this: you're not alone. We're all in this together. And hey, at least we have memes.